Hello, everyone. Hi. Makon tabro. Kamay taurige mayam. Uh, Welcome back after a long time. I'm so happy, and I think this is my first time streaming live on my channel. Just to let you know, I'm doing good. Hi, Rosen, Ngangba, Anjali. Ado, ay live se. I was supposed to connect with my Instagram ko. Instagram the odum active oy ba YouTube the active oy ba ngamdabagi ꯑꯩꯅ ꯉꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯏꯟꯁꯇꯥꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝꯗ ꯂꯥꯏꯚ ꯊꯥꯔꯒ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ Q&A ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯞꯗꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯒꯦꯅ ꯈꯟꯕꯅꯦ ꯍꯜꯂꯣ ꯄꯥꯃꯦꯜ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ because of some server down Instagramꯁꯦ server down ꯑꯣꯏꯈꯤꯕꯒꯤ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤꯗꯪ ꯅꯠꯇꯦꯕ most of the place server down ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ Instagramꯁꯦ ꯂꯥꯏꯚ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯕ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯔꯦꯀꯣ hello everyone hi ꯍꯩꯇꯤꯌꯦ ꯁꯍꯤꯔ ꯈꯥꯟ basic ꯈꯔ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ greeting ꯇꯧꯕ mashallah walla assalamu alaikum walaikum salam sukran ko sigumba ngaktangne haise basic adagi hammam ko hammam haibadi toilet haibane mashallah haibdi like kaino mamingonda appreciate tawbudo adudune aduga ꯑꯩ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯉꯔꯥꯡ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯗꯦꯠ 2ꯅꯦ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯍꯨꯝꯅꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯆꯍꯤ 18 ꯁꯨꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯔꯤꯌꯦ hello so good to see you everyone here welcome back to my channel again I see ꯋꯥꯍꯩꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯕ ꯀꯨꯏꯔꯦ welcome back to my channel ꯀꯥꯏꯁꯦ thank you very much ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯣꯛꯁꯦ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯁꯦꯝꯃꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯣꯛꯁꯦ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯌꯦꯡꯗꯕ ꯇꯧꯒꯅꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯤꯌꯨꯀꯣ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯟꯁꯦ ꯂꯩꯌꯦ I might come very soon ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣ ꯀ꯭ꯋꯥꯂꯤꯇꯤꯁꯦ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯒꯦ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ because this is my first time live streaming on my channel and I don't know anything about this I'm like totally new I'm a newbie ko Kevin Crew to ado mayam Kevin Crew gi matangda if you have any queries you know huzik khangning ba leiragadi aingonda dum hangbiro 제 수시드라 ꯂꯥꯏꯁ꯭ꯔꯝ ꯅꯠꯇꯤꯌꯦ kaino have the most of the airline international airline they are hiring lots of cabin crew and manipur da su lakani ko manipur da I'm not sure lakpe laktabay but India da mayam ama lakani adudana mayam so it's time to prepare ado kari preparation to bob matam da kari requirement oi ki habado and then first of all I would like to introduce my friend Syria Tokchom Syria Chongtham ko Syria Chongtham she's a ex cabin crew Ma's former cabin crew ne she has a lot of experience hi Satish Pradhan and she is making lots of videos every day daily basis like you know regarding the CV the grooming procedure and how to apply international adu sigi mayam ama hojik mana video nungtigi seme mayamda khanghalebako so I think it's really good video so you can watch and know all the updates about the international cabin crew I think she just uploaded one video of Emirates ki matang da suko Emirates ki matang da mana video semgre and also if you have anything kari specific oin haibiro I cannot say because cabin crew ki matang haragadi yam gre ba haidoise aduduna kari no koina doubt lairise ko okay my boyfriend I'm gonna reveal it soon yeah sure I would love to ado thank you Bishop video quality se I want to know how my video quality is doing I'm always wonder you know how my video quality is doing because and especially the live streaming this is my first time it's been two more than 2 years it's 3 years right my channel aina hang base ko last 2019 da ai channel se same kibane adubu I'm able to upload only 40 videos. Yeah, 40 videos. And luckily, I have got a lot of subscribers. Thank you so much for all the love and support. Is my boyfriend from Manipur? My boyfriend is not from Manipur. And what else? Hello, everyone. Hello. Hi guys. Kevin Crew. Kevin Crew talk pa say ay matam kra rest bane because I flew for like almost 7 years. Duga 7 years. Of course, I'm a bit nervous because this is my first time. I told you, I've never go live stream before. I've never done it. So let me just send my yam pam na ying maga. All messages. Okay. I'm trying to see my own video, I phone the hojik I live stream say ying ko. Um how is it doing? Kitang di slow chatli. Hi. Okay, regarding I Q&A hai se mayam I comment pa thok chara ke khara khara kwa I sigi thabak se am book tawdri but let's try today. Uh, thank you so much. Okay, ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯊꯕꯛꯁꯦ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯅꯦꯀꯣ ꯀꯝꯄꯅꯤ ꯗꯨꯕꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯥꯟꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯔꯥꯕ ꯀꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯗ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯏꯠꯁ ꯂꯥꯏꯛ ꯑ ꯕꯤꯒꯦꯁ entertainment section called Box Cinema hainako Masjid Al Futtaim mayamna adum Google tobiyo Masjid Al Futtaim hariba company se Dubai dagine headquarter Dubai de leiko ado sisida ai customer service de leibane aduga mayamna mapan thabak tobagi haiko aingonda question I Q&A se kadang question khara khara pick up toroke which I can give you any you know ideas about working in the Arab or abroad. Ado aina yam ka hen experience like badi natte but I have like few years of experience in Arab countries. Ado akoigi India dagi mapanda thabak toge have matamda it's very easy kwa. Kamain tawraga thabak apply toguni have matamda first of all you need to download a few applications kwa mobile application kara download to bio so you will get all the updates and news regarding the job kaino khoi vacancy hai tare ko but you have to know specifically which karamba line da changningi karamba thabak no na khoina tawningi do haibagi poto ma specifically khangbiyo ba it's not like I want to work in abroad or I want to go in some countries adumaina hairaga thabak thiba yadi ba karamba field da na experience lairabano so you have to know yourself first of all in the first place right adu khangaba matungda adomgi CV do phajana sembiro ko CV or resume is a thing that you have to describe yourself and then ngasaygi any company specific somna pamjaba leiragadi adugi company dugi website to the changaga you have to submit your CV right ado aina angang khara manipur dagi cabin crew mapanda arab countries da arab airline da makoina apply tawni ba matamda makoi CV ma'am sa aina review to ba matamda it's like simple they just share their personal details that's not what other people looking for HR singsina aduduna thabaki application do isoidan hairake ado same ba matamda CV same ba matam I'm not an expert ko pro nati ba CV same bagi adubu aina kaino aina khangba hai tare ko as my experience what I can share about is like you have to praise yourself as much you can ko ado mayam na koina nasagi kari skill leibage na koigi ko qualifications na koigi kay haini kari competent oibasing ado siguma mayam se ngasai CV sida loina hap ka doine ba ko mi sing sina CV sidagi nahak se kanano haibase not only personal details ko khangdoi se yengdoi se adu mayam do yeng thokpio phajana ithokpiro aduga ithoraga ngasai CV se makoina changningi ba company to the update tawrani so the application will be one is called Indeed. I will show you from my phone Indeed hariba application se I soidana mayamda uttarake and this is I just okay aina la kaino tawgare muthat khare Indeed ko INDEED Indeed hariba application se download to biyo aduga adomna chatningi ba country ko specific country do mention to biro aduga adugi country do da makoina job vacancy leibasingsa nakoina chanabani khangde makoina leiba pirakpa suggest la tawrakpa mafamsingduna nangna okay I have this experience because mapanamda chatpa haibse fresher gumbadi kya lawroi adubo people they prefer experienced people ko makhoi gi company du da nahak na kari represent tawdoino kari no support tawdoise as an employee makhoi na hire tawraga di ko then you have to sell yourself hai tari nangi skill oiro nangi qualification sing do nahak na you are going to be part of the company ko du na you have to mention not only your personal details like nang kai lamdagi no kai sampat kai samthong hairaga they don't care about Kesampatagi, Kesamtongdigi, or Nankaramba school that Tamake have. They really don't care about it. You have to mention about your qualifications, like skills and your competence. Sigi mayam se the certification courses, what you have done before, and the experience, how many years of that field kayam koina thabak tawrage haibado accordingly makoina kaino tawdoineba hapkadorineba they will hire you they will send you an offered letter kwa adumaina both the parties have to agree okay you will be doing this in our company since you have this much experience haibagi poto malakani and then manipurda yamna laiba ko experience laiba it's just people they don't like to explore or maybe they don't want to expose themselves ko atopa maphamda because they are living in a comfort zone yamna comfortable oigibagi mapan thopa matamda everything's going to be new and anauba haisidabu challenging oi ko ado si se ma oigani but you have to know atop nang na chatkadoriba lamda or leigadoriba maphamda kharadi research to batare right khangdana chatlagadi it can be you will be in trouble anything can happen aduduna koi self preparation se am darkar tai safety sagi security se yamna important oye you have to know about this yes smart speaking haibase karino haiba matamda sense of humor is very important and people we always talk about common sense akoina yam toina di palle but I think most me phanayam I mean some of the people or I don't know kamaya haidona si se ai kaino tawde address to bahaitre common sense use tawdragadi chanampham se kitang watle ko and especially in the aviation industry it's all about handling human being human being ama akoina handle tawdone so you have to use your sense of humor you have to have the common sense mana what is this person looking for adu mayam to Hoi, adu mayam do kitang khangbam thoe you can we are not like a robot. I don't know. I lost my mind. Where I'm okay. Lower si matangda, and then what else? Vacancies. Vacancy gi matangda hairagadi yamna leigre aduga ngasai gi aina indeed hairiba se application do adu nattaba mana aina lariba lam sira hayo hairagadi Qatar www.qatarliving.com hariba se Qatar aina lariba lam sina sigi mafam sigi application sido ina chatliko website hai tare Thank you so much, guys. If you have the experience, please keep writing here. Comment se datum ibiro so everybody can read. I'm not able to cover everything. Johnny TK I chok thok natte ko ado aina ngangba matamda chithagiba mayam su yaugani India the interview lakpase how you can get to know is through the websites of any airline any airlines mayam se makhan amtamanate aduduna what you can do is go to their websites maybe suppose if you want to be a cabin crew if you are an aspirant of the cabin crew Qatar Airways Instagram or Facebook or any other and then aduda machadlo and then if you want to be a part of Emirates family then go to the Emirates ki career site chatlo websites Instagram or Facebook anytime they are hiring wherever they are hiring, they will always update on their sites. Makoi khuzumuzu tawraga hire tawroiba ko. Anduga paisa su lawroiba international airline na hire tawrpa matamda. So what you can do is you have to follow their page, and so you can get all the updates. Makoy airline mayam dagi updates lakpa matam na koy the notification phangani ba ko. So prepare your CV. Mention your vital status like in height with BMI is very important ko. Aduga mayam na ingon the institute ta tamba yaba yadabagi mayam high ko. Adu institute say for me honestly I don't have the experience ko. I experience like the kano da I di tamakte ba aviation academy ta tamakte aduduna I first zero dagi scratch dagi dum direct I international join tawraga dum hawra. International means Indian airline, but my airline which I was working before, they moise international career ne ba ko career haitare to pa mafam da abroad dum chatle ba ko. Si sine aduga makha tarakpada what else CV gi loigre aduga what else qualification da 10+2 leire ko to pa mayam khangdaba kai kai leiri ge hangbiro aina specifically I say ngasigi live se cabin crew gi matang da hai ge na tawjarak pani ado loina kawre to pa wari ma'am se loina mix up tawre ko nongai riye adu kari kari ate haigedaba watli. Passport, okay. Especially guys, people who have doubts, okay. Topa language kaya makhange. Could we just show how many working hours for career? Okay. First of all, I will be talking about the passport details. Mayam na passport sadri kamay to gani hai ko. Passport se yamna important no ba pot amne because passport saba matamda you required lot of documents. It means nang do stable oire ba. You have your PAN card, you need your Aadhaar card to show your national ID number ko. Aadhaar card se koi national ID number ne ba ko. So you need to update adu na saba matam sila nangi birth certificate changrani. Adagi saba matam dan your parents and your residents, your everything proved out doing ba ko. Adu na kay dogi haba matam da si sina loina may overall documents ne ba khambra passport se koina leitaba yadi ba aduga khoi NOC sisu darkar oeba crew oiba matamda no objection certificate nang na leima mafamdudagi nangse zero criminal record oi khole haibasi ma su proof tai ko aduduna ngasagi first of all basic documents haragadi kainone akogi passport se kaigino haiba matamda hojikti Indian airline or domestic airline but international carrier ne ba international paiba matamda you have to carry your passport duduna interview chatrikanda you can apply your this thing your passport ko. It's not rocket science to apply and get a passport. Adu duma tawbiro isana tawjagadobani ko online degi apply tawraga dum 1 month yabani changbani 3 month changbalai tatkal haisina very fast and quick like within a week you can get your passport aduma tawbiro. And let me just go through the questions atopa language kya mo khangi have see it's not about knowing lots of languages. It's not really important. It's the most important thing is to communicate, communication between one human to another. Adu done nang do mi ma maron thoktaba mi sing or deaf and deaf person, they can't even speak or hear. How you will communicate with that person? So you have to have the sense of humor. And so all these things to communicate with a disabled person, you will go through the training process after you join the aviation ko. And then I Instagram page I am not sure. You can just go through it. Qatar Airways, Emirates, Etihad's, adu mayam na Instagram or Facebook ta adum thiba matam da lakani. Ako nupagi height 160 centimeter yagadra one nupagi height se 212 oibane duga nupigi na 160 centimeter. If I'm not right, please correct. Okay, guys, here I literally I don't remember. Yes, you have to match all the documents. If kanoma nang na passport sa matamda nangi documents duga your ID is not matching, then you have to show one proof, nang court ta chatlaga court ta affidavit ama same gani ba aduda you have to mention that this document and this person name say kari maram gi soy given have this, but that they will do it. You don't need to worry. Aduga what else? Qatar changbagi marks se kayamuk percentage marking system laite ko anak akhoi first second third division haiba dumba amta laite aviation changba matamda nang 10 plus 2 oiragadi yare adubu but highly recommend ko akhoi graduations ti tawhaninge ado passport se all assembly complex ta imphal da lei kwa duga lupa lising ama chamnga change passport saba matamda aduga tatkal da lupa lising mari change phangaba matung da kwa dagi nupa gi height se 160 centimeter yabra na ma 212 centimeter oigadoba adubu flat ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯗꯕ ꯅꯪꯅ ꯇꯤꯞ ꯇꯣꯁ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯈꯨꯅꯤꯡ ꯀꯥꯡꯈꯠꯂꯒ ꯂꯦꯞꯄꯒ ꯇꯆ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯏꯀꯣ documents changadaba video gaido documents haise nangna apply toba matamda natraga ngasai gi ai yaragadi sigi video sida description da ko na ai link hapake ko kai documents darkar oige habado CV semba sida kamaina okay CV se basic CV se ai sem ga do badu su ai su yaragadi google dagi download toroga ai description da hapcharake kaino to line of ko mayam say I think it's a bit complicated for people to search the websites or karambana khanduna because there's a lot of options. I'm sure you everyone will confuse or especially for the new ko aduduga ataya okay what else Ado, I think Kevin Crew gi matang si lawyer ba mali. Okay, I missed something last time. I ga ako gi makeup artist kano Yumnam Rajpriya ga Warisana ba matamda. She was asking one question about the disadvantage or the challenging part of being a cabin crew ka. So being a international cabin crew, there's a lot of things and I matang to the haidok pangamdre ba. I couldn't express what was that feeling, because it's like I was I feel like I'm in a post trauma. You keep focusing on your duty every day. I have to wake up middle of like nowhere. Tabak chale kem ta khangaude dubu hozik togla ba matamda da I hozik recollect tawrak matamda. It's like a nightmare. Challenging yamna laigre. Mayam challenging se kaide hogodobna khangdre. First of all, being an international cabin crew, you have to adapt to all the time zone different ka. Domestic tahana pudra diyagadro domestic tahana pudra so fresher oil so kaisum ta kaite ko aduga cabin crew kamaina changada video nampiro haibase again I will going back to the channel which I mentioned aina video semba horpa matam huzik live thaba horpa da haigi base kaino ne ngasai gi imanabi wonderless ita haibase kaino ni ko ai imanabi Syria chongtham Manipuri blog channel ma Kevin Crew gi matang da ngak ta oina sembani edu mayam yamna very neutral ko basic language ta ngangaga she will explain you in details so please go to Wanderlust Ita I will tell you here Wanderlust Ita mayam sige channel sida changbiraga yengbiyo and you can get all the information na koina pami ba mayam do and specific airline gi damakta su she will brief you ko aduga what else minimum age 21 lady ko and then 27 international if you're 26 27 I think still okay if you have some experience aina mamangda kano tawbada sige question se like who was asking somebody was asking okay kano airline se changba matamda makoina mi chahi anobo ina prefer taweba ko because chahi nauri gai nangi learning capabilities are like too high so you can adapt easily makoina tak iba mayam do nang yam thun adapt tawgani ba because there's so many things to learn so many things like akoigi manuals books mayam se in a short time within a 50 days you have to get all the manual guidelines ma'am that you have to follow black and white makoina pidi ba do mine exactly you have to put in your brain akoina diversion to ba yade or any substitute words or use to ba yade ko Si Pen Keshumkaide, thank you for being here. And if you have any experience, guys, you can write the comment here. Say something. It's fine. Um, che blog amada Kevin crew oidrabati. Okay. Adu laire aduga ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯀꯣꯃꯦꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯥꯔꯝꯕꯅꯦ ꯏꯪꯂꯤꯁꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗ ꯒꯥꯏꯁ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ live or my most of my videos or channel is based on traveling and also cabin crew because of my profession and anambana cabin crew oiningba mayamsingse inkhalaibasingsina ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣꯁꯦ ꯁꯦꯝꯕꯅꯦ so what you can do is you have to get all the information so nang details mayamse ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣꯁꯦ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ you can learn many things I'm sure like at least one video dagi 10% ꯅꯪꯅ knowledge gain ꯇꯧꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ it's a lot ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯩꯁꯨ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯀꯥꯏꯊꯣꯛꯑꯒ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯄꯥꯕ ꯉꯝꯕ ꯅꯠꯇꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ if I'm talking in English in a word ama or sentence I'm not talking this is not an English channel first of all and then I'm trying to explain to you how I am connecting with the people right ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯀꯩꯁꯨ ꯈꯪꯅꯕ ꯎꯅꯕ ꯅꯠꯇꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯏꯪꯂꯤꯁ ꯉꯥꯡꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ any person amana English ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯑꯃꯅ platform ꯑꯃꯗ English ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯔꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ you don't need to get offended first of all ꯀꯣ if you don't understand that's completely another story adubu nakoina you don't need to tell or try to change the person why you're talking in English haiba yadi ba khambra ado mi ki comfort level amadaneba nganga ise ko and then especially ngasai ki group join tawning ba sing se akhoi gi mi sing se English I ba yam haigani they are very good in grammar ko vocabulary also so advanced but the thing is ngang thorok pa matamda speaking the very low kaigino haibana we are not used to it our mother tongue manipuri haiba akhoi loan se yamna strong oi ba akhoi dialect se akhoi accent se yamna strong oi but just like the akhoi hindi ngang ba sings na Indian Hindi speaker sings na English ngang ba matamda they have the action of Hindi so people get to know okay you are Indian right because their Hindi ki tone duga English ki tone duga combine tawre ba just like that akhoi na manipuri ngang ba matamda su English manipuri gi makhona dum tho eba so something like that you need to practice to get rid out of that right so you don't need to get offended when somebody is talking in English if you don't understand that's not your channel first of all natra that's not your channel you have to watch only Manipuri speaker but I'm trying to speak at maximum ay su kayshu yam na haiban natte ba ado practice ne ba sisi especially ay nanganga pa matamda if you don't understand you can ask me first of all okay and then thank you I'm trying to explain you guys how you need to adapt with the people or how I have started ay su kamain ay su initiate tawrin ba ado si ma'am say you have to control yourself you have to take over hadi kaino tawgodom ni nganga ga practice tawr kan hairakadobane ba if you are staying in one place if you are not exploring if you have no connection with the people how you will get to know people natra mi ma'am sa kamay tawga kari tawri kari chari karamba wahay ngangi haibase you will never see you will never learn if you don't try to connect with the people if you don't try to expose yourself if you don't try to connect ko adudune sigi potsine ai su keshum ta hirak panati ai Hindi school da tami eba like I studied in the Hindi school literally ko aduga but still I Hindi school tami my Hindi is like not good because I have nobody to talk aduduna okay guys I think I'm not reading the comments let me just go through it again Susi official isana bu pamadi you don't need to ask or you don't need to seek for a permission from somebody go for it give a try guys na koina interview try togdragadi chatragadi you will never know right you will never know what's going in the world and ang interview do chatludragadi nangi area nangi nasa lacking area do you will never explore so first of all you need your own time nang nasana khangjagadom ne ba mina sitaw have do you don't need to follow first of all sit down close the door shut down everything kwa aduga boy amaga kolom amaga payo and then what else you need to write down nangi what are your strength your weakness nangi skills e karino kwa uh, kaido sigi mayam se you have to explore yourself adumaina isana isagi time pizaba matamda mayam ama thoglakani ko aduduna ninghanna tawbigano if you want to achieve something you have to start from small actions like nong magi khara khara mini manga manga kai thokpiyo aduga nangna pami ba goal do dum yogani soidana samu achauba ma nangna hat kya or thangge haiba matamda nang samu masado pulap to thanga do banate makhongdagi khujindagi makhong khaji khaji tagi thangatlaga you can leave the big elephant, you can cut down small pieces, you have to make the big elephant from the small pieces, right? So that's how even our goal is like adudune I say hana domestic airline the taurame 5 years ko I flew for 5 years based in the Cochin the Kerala the chahi hum leirame duka Delhi da chahi ani leire in between Mumbai the 6 month admai leire with the training and some karamatam kara flight away. And then I tried Qatar Airways and even I tried the Emirates. Ado kanone aina try to matamda it was big struggle ko aisu yamna struggle tawri kano tawi itom da chatpa from Kerala to the Chennai de chatle from adagi from Kerala to Bangalore chatle adagi that finally after I moved to New Delhi ko I based New Delhi do ore adugi matam da I got through this Qatar Airways ko ado um, see the thing is mayamna domestic hana tawraga international the to hai se karigino haba matam the domestic which means like nangi own the country da lairaga nangi friend circle and families they all are there right next to you aduduna it's easier for you to do anything once you moved out from your place then you have to do it by yourself everything right nang na manipur da lairaga hoji aisu manipur da gi haurakibani manipur da first interview thakibane without anybody ko itomdana chatlaga adum dumaina thakibane ado mi mayam dagi permission sector lairagadi maybe you might delay aduduna international or domestic it's fine but huzika haba matamda manipur da India da leriba airline khuding international mapanam da loin pai bane aduna kaishum ta kai di ko maybe there will be some difference of the salary or makoigi policy ko coordinate tickets sigumba di khara khenarakani ko usam chalia my the visible malls laiba yabra yai kaishum kai de malls na mi magi na ha ki potential difference lehen banati ko thank you very much and I'm lazy and I don't want to do anything, but I want lots of money. Please advise. I don't have advice because I don't have the same feeling with you. For me, my money comes when I really work hard from my efforts and dedications. I have never seen anybody who is just being lazy and they gets money. So I don't know. I don't have any. I'm always trying to share the information and the details which from my past experience. So from my experience, it's like I really work hard and I get the money even from my friends or whoever I think. Thank you so much. Adagi, when was the time that you want to become an air hostess? See, for me, I never wanted to become an air hostess. I never thought of that I'll be flying everywhere. To join the aviation is just to travel because I love traveling. When I was young, age like 6 7 years, I started traveling. Not 6 7 years. When I was in six standard ko adu matamdagi I started traveling alone alone is in like from my family without my family but with my team. I was a basketball player. I play national ko a national basketball sanare Manipur represent tawre and then I in a class 11 12 karpa matamda I started modeling career. Then I work in fashion the haitare rem mem togle and then I participate some beauty pageant adugi matam da so I travel ko outside Manipur mapanda chadle aduma leire adagi that's the time I explored about myself that traveling is fun. I can learn a lot adumai toroga khangakibane adudagi aina when I started searching a job which can give me like kumaina travel to gudoino ina thigalakpa matamda so this is the aviation industry is the only way to take you places everywhere. So adudugidamakta aina interview do apply to gibane. So that's all. Thank you so much, Somenduang nungairibo. उशाम चलिया you know practice to biyo kasham ta kai dia khoi se hindi se hairaga su akhoi serial yeng ni ngang thok pa haite ba kai gi no matam da khoi na yum da season da ba gi ne daily job ta ko khut ta cha le ba kasham ta kai de kasham ta kai de awa ba gi maning da ngai ba lei hai ba se kau bi gana se mane and what else hojiki oina di you know I quit flying kochi English nga hindi haiti kashum kai de hindi haita ba say you can start learning and practicing okay kind of working hours flying hours say 80 to 100 hours akoy flight away ko cabin crew ma oina kind of toge hairagati you have to have a good you know health ko isa phataba yate to maintain the flying hours the more you are flying the more you are making money so no there will be a basic salary plus flying hours and other allowances also there aduduna kadog haba matamda you have to be stay fit and healthy aduga adum naragadi you are not fit to fly aduragadi company na you know they don't want you to be the part of the employee so you have to take care aduduga weight proportional with the height. The BMI normal range is 18 to 21 or 24. It depends on the kind of airline ko. Airline amaga manade. Yes. Aduga birth mark ti kashum ta kaide everybody is different, right? They do na birth mark ta kashum ta none of the airlines they don't judge people with their birth marks phasate or something like that. They don't decides with the features of your face or something. They they see the people with their potentials, mangi competence ta oina yenge ko. So I think I covered most of the things. Okay, how I deal with fake friends. See, for me, it's easy. I am not try to being fake so far. Aduduna kaino tawi ko. It's very easy to figure out who are fake or are original. Kaidogi haba matamda. You just feel it. You can feel the vibe and try to be away from those people because that might harm you, right? Negative the adum vibe amadum pangbane. So just try to away from the fake. I mean fake oiragasu, original oiragasu, that's not your business. The thing is makoina nangon harm to haloidabaneba. Right? Before they harm you, you have to be careful, mindful. Meeting matamda, you have to choose mindfully. And then isa chabe nagale haise karigidamakta narino you have to know yourself kanyo khangzabiyo isana karigi narino haibado makwa aduma leire and then yum panbe matang se kona khanaze yes akoi health se amna important hoye tai kem tawdringai de kwa strict mark leibase strict mark se kai oidoine stretch oidora stretch mark haidora stretch mark se age ki matang da inga sai mamang su panjakre ko 21 dagi international gi oina aduga domestic Indian Airlines da changi haraga de 18 dagi hawe aduga kano mayam it's not easy ko akoina join tabu matamda kaidogi haba matamda you have to study a lot makoina pirakani ko si pagadom ni si pagadom na ina kushira si tabu yati even for the grooming guidelines you have to follow makoigi guidelines mayam like you cannot just apply to anything whatever you like color starting from your lipstick from your eye color your blush shadow your even your what do you call the nails ko si mayam se nang na kushira si tabu yadiba when you join the aviation ko makoi company guidelines ma'am lay and you need to go through lot of training and exam ko si exam ama pass tawdragadi amada antopa class ama mung changba yade if you don't attend full class ma'am exam ma'am da dragadi you will not qualified as a license ko cabin crew kuding mag license lay ma'am na kangadobni and this license you have to renew every year and all the training na koina exam tarik pa manung sida emergency first aids mayam ama laigre ko si mayam se exam makhan mayam se loina mag pass tawgodom and then exam khudingmakki magi validity loina lay ko, and duduna the whole year you will be flying. At the same time you have to go through the trainings and exams isine. um, what's my most favorite hobby is I don't know. I have so many things. I have so many things which I really like to do, depending on my mood. Haitare ko. Ado I gidi. You know, most of the people. Have you ever realized me sing say mood say yam tuna switch the way ko. Ado especially ako ginupi sing say yam sensitive oye. Ado na depending on my moods, I give hobby say adum switch the way. Ado na I tried so many things. You know, I like. Matam starting from yeah, trying to find out the new recipes ko healthy over recipes pa me. And also I like what else I like cooking. Yeah, I like cooking and telling the new recipes to the people. Mi ma'am da hi ba pa me I si ko si ma lady. And then recently I'm a certified nutritionist. I'm proud to say this, guys. I am na tuna I channel da mayam introduced already mangi channel da so high grade ko. I from the last year I gi course ko Canada the precision nutrition haina malay ko. Adudo aina course se lobane aduga the whole year I research mayam torba matungda hojik finally I kaino tawre certified oire and aigi client mayam lay ko aduga client sings anambana hojik I part khado e ko hojiki and first initial part se I akhoi weight loss to ba hatare akhoi body weight management gumba to ina focus to mi masa lumba masa nungai ta ba kitang weight kitang handage ka ba high ba singsa adu to oina to focus to and then I'm helping and they really they're happy. They're happy with the result. Aina piba mayam do. Aina research tawruba mayam do. Aina apply tawiba ko. Aduduna, I think I'm doing really good. Aduduna aina tabak pai da base. Aingonda kashumta aina nungay taba miss tawba haiba laite because I'm really busy with my new career, my new job. Awaba aina flight paringayda khwaidagi awaba amanudi nungaiba hairagadi khwaidagi waba se kaino haiba matamda when you really wanted to sleep aigi oinadi sleeping is very important, you know. Tumba sina yaraktraba, the person who can't sleep is the worst thing ever, you know. Tumba yadaba haibase nang chaba su yararoi, chaba yadaba haibase tumba su yararoi dune, tumba ga chaba ga haibase ani se loinaraga hand in hand ne ko oigadoba se ado karigino haba matamda khoina tummi se kaino khoina chariba khotliba mayam se manung se function tawrine ko khoina chariba se khoina ahing nungdang tumdragadi digest to bangam moidune ba digest to bangam dragadi kayamta absorb tawraroiba khoina chariba mayam se khoigi hakchang na khoina chari se kedobagi na khoi energy sungine ba khoigi energy se kaidongna bano aina ngasi wa ngangi ba adomna nomi ba hakchang chatli ba movement mayam se energy ne ba energy se khoina karai dagi lakpon haragade khoina chari ba thai ba mayam se sidagi energy lakpone adutuna depends nangi nasa se karamba energy no nangna produce tawrise is depending what you are eating ko adutuna aphaba chinjak chabiu hari se so you can create a good energy. Aphaba chinjak charagadi definitely you can sleep, you can move, you can have whatever you want, right? Adudune ko aduduna aphaba chinjak chabiyo mayam chaba matamda you have to eat slowly mindfully ko sipot se aduga aphaba khallaga chabiyo ado mayam aingonda yam toina hangbase kamai torga weight lose togani hai ko so losing weight is not a rocket science ko, it's a science but not rocket science, is human science ne ko koigi biochemistry ne khatang basic biochemistry da mok I'm going back to my school days. I'm not really good ko. Yeah, thank you. I would love to. By the way, I have my nutrition. What do you call? Yeah, you know what I cook daily. I like making breakfast. Ado mayam da in breakfast picture dum update to bane. I have my Instagram page called Tam Chakum or Chakum by Tam. Yeah, and then I have my own website, guys. I'm gonna definitely introduce you soon. Ado I website tagi I client aina receipt to raga I online at the mobile application that I connect to me so right now I have few international clients which I'm connecting through my applications and websites, and I will be sharing to my Manipuri fellows, and I'm really excited for this ko ado mayam ay haning base weight loss se kamay tawga tawgani haiba matamda you have to be you know you have to know what you are eating. ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯍꯛꯆꯥꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯄꯥꯝꯃꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯍꯛꯆꯥꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯆꯥꯈꯤꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯍꯛꯆꯥꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯔꯤꯑꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯀꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯈꯪꯐꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯑꯦꯕ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯈꯪꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ you have to eat slowly to know how your body is reacting ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯥꯈꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯊꯨꯅ ꯐꯕ ꯆꯥꯁꯟꯈ꯭ꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯅꯪ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯍꯛꯆꯥꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯐꯥꯎꯔꯤꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯈꯪꯕ ꯉꯝꯃꯔꯣꯏꯕꯀꯣ so ꯇꯞꯅ ꯇꯞꯅ ꯆꯥꯕꯤꯌꯣ ꯇꯞꯅ ꯁꯥꯏꯕꯤꯌꯣ ꯁꯣꯔ ꯍꯣꯜꯂꯒ ꯆꯥꯕꯤꯌꯣꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯁꯤ ꯁꯣꯔ ꯍꯣꯜꯂꯒ ꯆꯥꯕꯤꯌꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ it sounds really funny but ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ realistic ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯅꯦꯕ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯅꯪꯅ ꯆꯥꯔꯤꯒꯩꯗꯣ ꯊꯨꯅ ꯐꯕ ꯆꯥꯁꯟꯈ꯭ꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯄꯨꯛ ꯀꯔꯝ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯄꯨꯛ ꯊꯟꯈꯤꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯈꯪꯍꯧꯔꯔꯣꯏꯕ ꯄꯨꯛꯁꯦ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯆꯥꯛ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯅꯪꯒꯤ ꯊꯕꯥꯛ ꯃꯄꯥꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯛ ꯊꯤꯟꯕ ꯍꯧꯔꯛꯄ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯅꯪꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯛꯇꯣ ꯆꯈꯥꯎꯁꯦ I mean intestine ꯃꯐꯝꯗꯣ ꯆꯜꯂꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯌꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯪꯒꯤ ꯍꯛꯆꯥꯡꯁꯤꯒꯤ nangi body proportionate your body metabolisms you will get to know once you started or realizing kano hai tare nangna chari ba thaiba map se nangna identify to ba matam da kwa ado khangjarakani aduga akhoi gi hakchang sida akhoi gi puk manung sida second akhoi gi nervous system ama yauri kwa akhoi gi brain ama yawi ba second brain ama yauri ba kwa sigi pot sina ne akhoi gi chak lamba phawhal liba akhoi bi ising khoirang haliba ka mayam ama thokla ise akhoi na kok sina natte akhoi gi hoi kok siga akhoi chakhau siga pau phaunari ne ba ani se nangi wakhal sina khallagadi definitely chaning ani adu na akhoi na chak chaba matam da mukbang gi channel yengba matam da chak hina lami se akhoi gi puk manung sidagi piri ne ba nang se si pot si charo sigi manam si charo akhoi gi sigi sida su system ama yauri ba akhoi gi manam namba matam da gi brain sida message pi gi toine pok sida su brain my everything is like so connecting ko interrelate oi ba hakjang khuding mak se adu na ꯊꯕꯛ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯁꯨꯗꯕ ꯅꯣꯝꯗꯕ ꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯆꯥꯛ ꯂꯥꯝꯕ ꯄꯣꯛꯄꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯎꯋꯦ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯋꯦꯕ ꯋꯥꯈꯜ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯆꯥꯕꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯈꯜꯂ ꯂꯩꯔꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯤꯟꯕ ꯃꯤꯗꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯆꯥꯛ ꯆꯥꯕꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜ ꯈꯟꯕ ꯁꯪꯗꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯆꯥꯗꯦꯕꯀꯣ stretch mark leibase depends karai waida leibano maide stretch mark leira thabakta leibra khutta leibra so it depends on the airline nang na changadorbe airline dugi matung inna makoina set pe uniform dugi matung inna it should be not visible ko visible oiragadi yade because you have to be presentable makoi se brand ambassador haraga khangne ko cabin crew are the brand ambassadors of the particular of every airline how they poise how they talk how they communicate with the people or the customers and how they are behaving is reflections of the airline or the brand of the company kwa aduduna they will definitely look for a presentable person if you are not presentable then they will not recruit you god this is one thing that's why we prepared our grooming we are following the guidelines and when you go for the interview and then som nangang base tari ge ai sangsar se ngai ha kaurure thank you so much ko Priscilla Huidrom so adum nangna kari karamba stretch mark no if you want to go kai hani interview gumba aduga nangi stretch mark to yamna concern oiragadi you can come to me personally through my Instagram ko igi Instagram Tam Laishram or Tam Chakum si or si ko and what else okay about the nutrition part I ngasai haigibado yumda adum tummaga leiba mina ai di thabak sung tau tau de tummaga dum lei duisu chak kamaina lamino haiba matamda tumba sisu khoi energy changieba if you don't have the energy you cannot sleep ko tumba si energy changieba when you are sleeping akogi machine body mechanism se function taurineba so you need to understand so why we need to choose the healthy stuff is because to get all the nutrients if you get all the nutrients in your body then you have the energy right asing asai ge koina chabada tapna chabiyu haise tapna chaba matamda nang tumbagi ko yinga sai gi sairing ai manung sida akoi gi nutrient ma'am se absorb tawri ne bhakchang sida ko aduna yam thuna chagi ba matamda nangi hakchang sida nang karam kana than ge khangaroi tummaga manung da pops out torpa matamda there's no place to function natra manung da tumna ba digestion gi system se fazana function to bungam de but that's how akogi gastric thoklai ba akogi bloating sensation fauri ba sing se ko so you have to be careful when you eat so I will recommend you everyone whoever watching video you have to eat slowly mindfully chak chaba matamda sor honbiyu tapna chabiyu aduga ising yam yamna thao ko like in a day you have your drinking target your water intake should be 2 to 3 liters kwa ado aina haining badi chak lam dragadi chak chaga no ba adu bu chara helo hai badi natte we need food to survive to get the energy to akoi energy se sungna bagi damak ta koi chak chaga do bane chaning nge haina uri ba makai charaga dum lei ba yade so you have to understand respect your body you respect your system and organs kan chaba matam da aphaba khalaga chabiyo chari ba pot to aphaba do khitang chagi ba matam da na that's more than enough aphatta ba mayam charaga puk than baduna ai hakchang se aphaba pu tho oiba kem ta ko akoi indigestion problem thogla iba adagi maida acne la iba hyper pigmentation tho iba mid nari iba every function akoi hakchang se da narak pa haiba pot sa is related what you eat nang kana no haiba sa nang na chari ba pot siniba okay whatever you eat is what you are ado si pot se kaubigan no mayam so these are the only basic mantra which I can give you ado duna ngasi dagi adom na weight henganing ba natraga weight handaning ba or anything you know when you want to feel better ko aduga when if you have decided to change your nangi body composition same ning ba oiragadi you have to start focusing on yourself ko tapna chabase sise very important aduga mindfully chabase nangna chariba pot khuding mak to nangi hakchang sina kamain to orga react to ke habadu khangbiyo koine iron ba morok met pa yamna chaba matamda kamain to ke khoi puk sinungai te na chamorok sari adoragadi why you are eating second time it means you are harming you are killing your nangi tawriba mayam se loina makine loina makki hakchang se loina function to na bane if you are keep eating all the spices again and again and again it means you are killing ado definitely nang tu gani bano manangin nasase ko ai nutrition course se ai huzik ai 1 year course loirba matungda ne ai level 1 certified ne aduga kaino second level se huzik ai first ki huzik client sigi ai practice client sin se tawbo matungda I definitely I will go further again macha tamba amok master class su yawgi gini ko aduga ai gi course se precision nutrition haina Canada da tawbane online digi tawe tawbadi but precision nutrition is one of the largest and number one ko koigi institute ne nutrition and the software mama provide tawe so they provide all my reading material supplements moina kaino tawe thare eloina agi lebam da ko ado mai nanda base kamaina tawgani mai nanda se si mai sisu akogi khwadi ga choba factors se nangna chari ba thai basi dagi laire sisu so you have to focus you have to eat carefully chari ba poje akogi chaba hai basi yamna important oiba chadragadi ai hakchang se ai energy lairoi energy laitaragadi what you will do nangna suri ba nomi ba hakchang se wangangi ba ma'am se ai energy sine ba sungi ne ba adai hojik chak why am ngang thokraba matam dai chak lama kani ba because I have exhausted all my energy aduga energy haraga aina nga sa ayuk chak chage ba na tingarang nahan hapta mai mamang na chagi ba pot mayam da ingon da loina yauri ne ba adu mayam duna lehoba nutrients absorb to hoba ai hakchang sna absorb to hori ba pot to hojik aina mung release to ne ba so it's like exchanging cycling ne ba kam rai na chari ba thai mayam je excrete and in secrete or excretion to riba secretion to riba je sungba de khaidok ki ba mayam sine ba khaidok ki ba sina kaino ha ba matam da aina chahora ba thaora ba sunga ba matung da loina mak aphaba mayam da chupsalaroga exhaust to ba mayam tu ne ba koina amo hakchang gi khaido ise ko so if you are eating good food then you become good yam the basic way but I will not explain you all the scientific mayam do aina mayam the explain to with the darkar ti oide it's just you need to understand the basic things you know why you are eating what you should eat if you want to be like some specific nangi go later gadi ko that's a lot better easy ado chak chaba sina ka hena kana ba phang da bra che carbohydrates wang na chab je carbohydrates wang na chab se ai gi oina di suppose ai gi di ai chak chai I like pasta chak su chai ai di yam chai ba ko kaishum kai de chaga dom ne see the thing is you have to balance carbs su protein su akoi nga sagi macronutrients e yam important oi ko if you have to understand akoi gi chak su protein su carbs su fat su ko simyam se important oi bai gi hakchang se loina mak darkar oi ko equally you have to balance all this atu kari gi no if you nang chak akta charagadi kaino ne ba nang carbs yamna wangkhalagadi akoigi haksangsida nungaitaba mema function torokani because carbohydrates se tumbada yamna line tumde bako ado si ma'am sina fat mo on khalakadoini and then plus nang ki cholesterol su wangkhalakani bako aduduna protein sisu yamna darkar oi ko protein sina ne akoigi muscles mayam ama semi ba build tawriba kholiba ma'am se healing process se protein degi lakpane so you have to eat equally aduga akoigi bodybuilder naga yam chari base kari gina ba matamda because they are working so hard they are makoina chari ba khuding se makoi they absorb fast they digest really fast so makoi they eat whatever they want ko adudune aduduna if you are not working then you don't need to eat a lot because nangi energy do yamna nang use to thokte ba aduduna yam chaga no bako kari gino haba matamda akoigi calorie deficit haina ama ko you have to understand akoigi energy intake haibaga energy out haibaga in amaga out amaga lay bako kai no haba matamda nangi energy se energy in se kai no haba matamda nang chari ne bako yamna chari gai yamna nang nasado energy do utilize to gai your body will be balanced nang weight to maintain to ga lainingagadi nang na chari ba potuga nang na nongmada calories burn to rituga manhan ba kashum ta kaide but if you want to gain weight then you have to nangi calories sa hen energy se hen chaga do ba duga nangi burn out se less o hen ga to ba but if you want to lose weight definitely you have to burn more calories than you are eating ko suppose understand to bio and this is the basic things which I can tell you right away aduga aduga sugar cut down ko mayam akoigi processed food haibase yarige processed food se ko cut down to bigado bane aduga processed food se kaino haba matamda koigi kokta da chips ta dagi chana thangna ba any factory dagi manufacture tawriba machine manung dagi tholak ba haibse pot to masarak na bona da makoi khut me ama changi ne ba adu du dai du da preserve tawna ba mahau mang da na ba machu hong da na ba adu mayam chemical mayam ama use to ba so those chemicals are not sometimes human friendly duga kana gumba kharaga chana da ba yawe ba ado akoina akoigi ngasai gi nutrition facts haina nutrition value haina akoigi packets ama pot leba matam da maning da cholesterol fats saturated unhealthy fats adugo mayam ini ba ado once you know how to read those things definitely you will stop eating ko si pots ine ado si pot se akoina khangdok pi ba matai do and then okay sugar intake se kaya mu gyage sister mi mana hapta amada okay mi mana nong mada ko normal person if you are diabetes like mi gi di zero sugar oi ge do bane ko definitely mo gi masadu da khoi gi diabetes se hela bane hypoglycemia or hyper hypo haibasina low sugar ne ko hyper ina la agadi makoi se excess oil ne moi masasida so you need to understand nang gi nasa se sugar level se koi every 6 month or something kamatam kharle ko sigi medical terms yam ka hena in depth khangdre adwar so it's really important you know check to thopi ge do bane ado nong madami mana not more than 30 gram dagi hena charoi da bane chini se ko ado dagi hela agadi akoi gi hakchang sa nungai ta ba ma mama lakani aduga ngasagi aina high cholesterol wang ba mina cholesterol handa na bage ke chabe ya have do habiramo okay high cholesterol name na bagi dam akta chinjang magi tongan ba mama legre ko khoina nungti gi chari ba pot si dai da aina si cha kanu si chaw have see everyone has a different eating culture I cannot change someone tradition kwa mi magi tradition ama mi magi diet am have say aina change the way ba natte ba so what only I can do is akhoi the way we are eating the way how we cook or everything sisine ba kwa important or is akhoi na hangai akhoi na nuti gi bora kangau sigum ba thau chari ba mayam sa haidi akhoi na mana masing chari ba every khuding makki magi pros and cons no ina lei ko adu mayam se khangadom ne adu da deep fry to ba pot khuding magi nutrients haidi akhoi na chari ba pot akhoi suppose hairo alu ma tawraga deep fry to chagi ba matam da alu du da yauri ba pot kana bu magi nutrients loina mangjai ba du na mostly akhoi se steam tawraga natraga putlaga ko dagi air fryer tawraga thau yaw da bi da chabasina hena very effective ko hakchang na yamna ka nei si sine height wang na ba kari cha ka ne height hai se kai dagi wang bana koi growth sine koi growth se kamai to gala kamaina la kani you have to take lots of protein just like koi bodybuilder me amam na muscles growth or iba same iba me am se koi protein intake se they are like high intake protein neba ko aduduna so something like that akogi angang growth chokhlakpa matam sida khoi je protein yamna suggest tawi recommend tawe aduduna mokogi muscles or in thuna so in khat pa yai ko adu sigumba man leire job opportunity and scope se kai legi haba se ai gi oina di ta sengna kana gumba manipur da khangba nutrition gi field da haira gadi khoi gi hospital da kai da dietitian nutritionist mayam lai ko adu nataba freelancer ai gi oina di huzi se ki di ai di freelance oina tawbane I am working through my application hai tare ko ai gi websites and application gi through da gi ai sana dum loina tawjai aduga scope say see you have to have the passion of helping people I oina di my scope or my vision is to help people to reduce the akoi hakchang da nungai taba thoiba uncomfort may ama lai ba discomfort thoiba sing sa aina because when I was traveling as a cabin crew I have seen many people are struggling with their weight their health issues karai da gila pano si myam sa haiba matam it's because how they eat right this is the only thing for me most of my money goes to the food which I buy the healthy stuff that you I money spent away but I don't want to spend my money on the medicines from the pharmacy I like to spend my money on the supermarket from the organic groceries this is all what I do ado si mayam se mayam su follow to haninge akoina hakchang narakpa matamda chahi manga thabak suraga paisa saving to matamda you spend all the monies in 5 days at hospital right when you are not well when you get sick you spend the 5 years saving money in 5 days but if you are taking care for the 5 years so why you need to spend money aduduna better you have to take care of yourself before you get sick and before you spend money sisine aduga I'm tired of course I'm talking 1 hour continuous Toria ke hedge ko nong mada calories se kaya muk darkar oige habiro o habase mi amaga body metabolism manade nanga iga BMI manade duduga nangi hakchang dugi matungina akoigi calories se darkar oibase su manade ko aduga kamain toraga nangi haidi nangi body proportionate like how you want to change where you want to be nang karino nangi goals se nang achieve to se pam se kaino haibase ko I healthy oiba pambra I weight loss oiba pambra I weight gain oiba pambra I muscle mass gain tawning ibra haibuki matung ina your calories intake is also different ko moisture oiba se kamaina no moisture for me ain hayo haragadi ising thakpase you have to keep hydrate yourself ko nong mada ising liter ani dena humbok thakpiyo ising yam thakpa matamda especially people who want to lose weight ano khoi chaklam baga ising khoirang baga se confused chatpi ga noba nangi nasada khoirang ba malakpa matamda nang ising kantho aga nang ma chana bada hoina chongjaleba and then especially when you eat something unhealthy like packaged food processed food chaba matamda aduduna hen harmful ohele agi hakchang se ko nangi hakchang duna ising khorang pa haibase level ama kantho amaga yam tin extremely wala abani sing do khorang tunga matam de sing se kitang sipping to be bigi habits se thambiyo ko aduduna see changing your body is starting from your mind akogi wakhal han hongdok pasi ma darkar tai your daily habits need to change yam chadrasu sum noiri se kari tawraga phadoino habiro please nangi yamna chadraga su kitang chari ba potu da yamna fats wang bagi oram ba yai ko ado yamna wang aduduna aphaba pot khalaga chabiyo aduna kitang chabiyo hakchang do magi phangum thopa nutrients no magi to phangnaba ko che pimples yam thokpa je chahi 24 swaida masigi akoina chari relate oina to okay si se yamna common oiba question ne ko pimples yam na thokpa se chahi kunma 24 years have sigi so akoigi sigi late adolescence period se akoigi growing period sida akoigi hormones se change tawbagi ne ko hormonal change tawba matamda akoigi manungda mayam leiramba mayam do ko exposed to thuraine because so that's not big problem so you have to take care of yourself by eating less oily stuff duga unhealthy fats kuma siam chabi so what you can do is protein ko no magia so mayam so isan bio khangjan bio protein se kaino aduga carbohydrate sina kaino fat sina kaino healthy fat se kaino ko sigumba pot mayam se nangna khangdokpa matamda no magi protein ama kutum ama adigi carbohydrates kubak ama kwa adagi fat haibase thauni nongmagi akoina chagadobse khubi ama mami amana chabam thokpa basic ne si map se chagadobani kwa sidagi hena chagi ba matam da nahaki body juda some changes, aina kaigumba workout tawdragadi changes soidan lakani duga workout tawba midi yamna chari gai wo yamna workout tawri gai they will gain muscles hena charaga su moi workout tawri banina makoi na chari ba potto makoi muscles oin tolakani moi body do tone oirakani ba. So this is how our body works aduga adum charaga leiragadi koi gi chari ba pot mam do store tawsalaga adum leirakani nang na burn out tawdabane you will definitely gain weight ko sigi potsina ina ngasai mamang na pangiba calorie deficit ki habado. I think I talk a lot and I forgot to keep a water bottle today. mayamna henna khangingba in details khangingba leragade agi Instagram da lakpiyo Tam Laishram haina leibani ko isada dark oibase oil dagi ohenbra isada dark ohenbase ngasai ke ina haibne achamba yam toina chabi ge domne duga chariba potto keno tobiyo you have to eat a lot of vegetables and fruits. Ko sanga yam na chabi gano sanga chaba matam da koina chicken chaba matam da koi morok myam thaga thau thum spices myam thaga chaba se this is completely wrong ko guys nong padok chaba ke shum ta kai de but if you're eating frequently that's not going to help to grow or glow your skin ko aduduna ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯝ ꯀꯦꯟꯕ or skin problem hair skin nails se ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ relate ꯑꯣꯏꯌꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ vitamins ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯥꯕꯤꯒꯗꯕꯅꯦ vitamin biotin ꯀꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯣ supplement ꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯇꯥꯏꯌꯦ if you are not eating ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ right nutrient ꯆꯥꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯗꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯁꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯥꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯁꯦ ꯍꯩ ꯔꯥ fruits vegetables ꯁꯦ touch ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯌꯣ eat vegetables and fruits like a rainbow it means like ꯃꯁꯤꯡ ꯁꯨꯅ ꯃꯆꯨ ꯁꯨꯅ ꯆꯥꯒꯗꯧꯕꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯈꯟꯕ ꯍꯩꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯀꯩ ꯆꯥꯗꯣꯏꯅꯣ ꯈꯪꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯗꯤ you just keep buying all the colors different colors of fruits and vegetables adudune akoigi different nutrients mayam phangani chahiga chadana pork horeise haibira o pork horeise akoigi heredity da sulai heredity haragade akoina akoigi ahan lamana oirambaine kaina leidana ko adu si se kamta natte it's all related to science akoigi hakchang sida nangi hormone do kitang advance oibagine ko adugi hormone do nang you have to maintain nangi diet to maintain to buya you have to increase your protein intake adu tawrakanda dum pharakani ko is the age a factor of losing weight yes been trying to lose weight by eating healthy and working out but I don't wear this unlike the teenagers definitely along with Monica as you are increasing your age your body metabolisms also function slowly makoi su function set over say makata tharini but it's reducing their functions ko so since your body metabolism is decreasing your nangi chari bathai mayam sisu you have to look after this hanagi teenage ki type ta burnout to buda domaina tawraroi aduna angang oiringai dadi noiraga su makoina sanaruba chen bado moi calories burn out to bunina mokoi gi hakchang lu yamna metabolism fast oibanina yam thuna digest away and then mokoi thuna chu chaklam gale koi ahan oirak matamda mi singse ko magi hakchang se function torok se nem tharak panina nangi chabagi intake si handaba tare ko sisine 16 age pimples like base it's si say in general ko aina hairagadi yamna simple oiba po ne you don't need to really think a lot atuka kaino tawse ising yamna thakpiyo aduga hai vegetables ma'am chaba matamda dum pharakani ko humang taba se hakchang pathai hai ado nungsha marakta leibada humang ta nungsha da leibagi humang tabaga thabak suba nombagi humang tabaga manati ko aduduna chariba thaiba ma'am do burn out to pi nga sai have do I think I talk a lot so ngasi gi sai da di loisal la se so guys I think I talk a lot. Thank you so much everyone asking the questions. Ado mayam question hangbangam daba adum yengba mayam gani. I hope you like this video live session live streaming ko. I think so. Yeah. Bye bye. Thank you so much everyone. I love you all.